Most people see a gym and an art studio as two different worlds. But to me, they are the exact same room. The resistance of the iron and the friction of the charcoal both demand the same thing: tension. I don't just draw the human form, I live in it, translating the hypertrophy I feel in my own muscles directly onto the canvas. You can't paint power if you have never felt it, and you can't capture the struggle if you have never faced the weight. Every rep is a study in anatomy, and every set is a lesson in composition. As a member of the BCC, I'm not just moving paint or building muscle. I'm building a legacy alongside a community that respects the grind. From the rack to the canvas, the goal remains absolute peak performance. Forge the body, frame the vision. Let us work.